Cyber attacks are not if, but when. And when that attack hits, you want to ensure that the best systems are in place to quickly restore your organization's daily operations. If Active Directory was unavailable for 1 week, 82% of companies estimate their losses would total more than $250,000. Unfortunately, it's an issue you hear time and time again in the IT industry.
The organization came to an almost grinding halt during the outage.
Disastrous for many reasons like reputation and revenue.
We had to rebuild AD from scratch.
It was an all-hands-on-deck situation.
Unlike competitors who use recovery software developed decades ago, Cayosoft Guardian Forest Recovery utilizes innovative patent-pending recovery technology that will get you back up and running in an instant. It keeps your organization's Active Directory safe, secure, and ready for rapid recovery when the time comes. Regardless of complexity, on-prem or Azure AD or staffing challenges, Cayosoft makes AD recovery fast and simple. Cayosoft, your complete solution to manage, monitor, and recover AD, Azure AD, Office 365, and beyond.